Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reema Kumari, and let's resume our session from here. In last session, I explained you about using Streamlit library to create any application, right? And also I explained you about how to change this name and logo, right? So now in this session, like if suppose user wants to upload any document, right? So from this application itself, right? So we need to provide that component section over here. So suppose I want to provide a sidebar over here, and in this sidebar, like we'll provide a section where from where they can upload the document. So this feature are available already in Streamlit application, Streamlit library. So just go and just search what is the code or code for uploading a document into the Streamlit application, right? Just search a file uploader. Okay, there's a file uploader function available in Streamlit, okay, which you can use to upload the file. And also you can restrict user if they have to only upload a PDF file. That type also you can provide, you can restrict, so that business cannot upload the Excel file or any other different PPT file. If only we have to restrict they should upload only PDF file, then they can use they can just pass the type as PDF file. Okay, so we have to use this ST file uploader uh, component from this Streamlit, right? So just let's go and just see that. And first of all, as I mentioned, like before uploading, I have to create a section on this particular page, left section where they can upload the file, right? So let me just write down here. For that, creating a left section, we have to do say with st sidebar. There's a function available with sidebar. Just use that one. And let me just write down some markdown. I'll explain you what is the meaning of markdown. Okay, upload your document here. Okay, just see that by using this sidebar function from Streamlit, it is going to create a section. You can see here, it is created a section here, left section, right? And there it is asking you just upload your document. And what is the meaning of with over here? Why we are using? So we can directly use st.sidebar as well, right? How we are using at upside, right? We are using with why? Because in the same left side section, I want to upload the document. Suppose if I'm not going to mention with over here, and the same section I want to upload, I have to give a section where business can upload their document. I don't want to put that section over here in the main page, right? So wherever you want to put that section now, so under with only you can provide, means once it will start execution, whatever component will be written within this section with, right, with st dot sidebar, it will reflect there only. I'll show you. Suppose, as I mentioned, I have to provide a section from where like business can upload their document, right? And for documentation, I have already shown you that we have to use st dot file uploader, correct? Just go downside and just see what is the code for that. Okay, you can see it, st file uploader, and choose a file. This is the code. Okay, just copy here from here. Even you can just copy whole thing also. There's no problem at all. Just go here and just paste, simply paste. Okay, st dot file uploader, choose a file. So just come here and just see that in your application it is given an option to upload a file, but here you can upload any kind of file. Just click on upload and just see that it is, you can upload png file also, jpg file, like pdf file also, any kind of file you can upload. But I have to restrict that business should only upload a pdf file. So for that, you just come here into the code, and here you just write down type. Type should be, you can see, type should be, I want to restrict only pdf, only pdf file business should upload. So just come back here and just see that it is coming now pdf. And once you click here, then only now you can see from download, for the in the download for there's a different files are present, but only now the pdf file is visible. Even here also it is saying like you will choose, but once you're clicking, then it should only give you this option to upload. Even suppose if I'm going to upload any other file, suppose I am so it is giving you the error, right? Because we already defined as a pdf type only we are going to accept. Suppose I'm going to upload this file. Okay, Now it is uploaded. I'm not getting error. So, okay. So this is now we had created a sidebar, and here in this section we had given a user to just upload their file, right? So so that section is also covered, and now you also know why we are using with over here. If we are using with, and whatever component we are writing here under that section will be visible within that sidebar, means that component only. Okay. And now once business upload the file, I have to enable a button, means I have to just provide a button there they can click on submit, right? So just use st dot button. Okay. Right, just come here and just see that submit is coming, right? Submit is coming. Okay, submit is coming. So all component you can add by using a Streamlit, and a Streamlit are having various component which you can use in your use case, whatever like as per your need. And you just come here, just search those component, you will get it, and you can use it. Even you can see st text input if you want to pass input to the Streamlit application, right? So you can use this one. So similarly you can use any component from that Streamlit application, Streamlit documentation. Okay. So that is all for this today's session, because we had explained one topic. Their business can come here and upload their document, right? And the document should like PDF file, that is also we can define. And let's come and meet into the next session where I am going to explain a next topic, that is a document load, and we are going to start from here. This portion is completed, means we had given a section on our application where business is will upload the file. Now in the next session I am going to explain you about the document loader. Okay, because now business has uploaded their PDF file, that is a raw data, and which are having many pages, right? So that is why, and model is not going to understand like those whole PDF files. So it's like this is a important thing or mandatory things. We have to convert this PDF, load the PDF into the LangChain document. Okay. Once it is loaded, then we have to do the splitting. And also in next session, I'm going to explain you about document loader. Okay. So if you're learning something from my sessions, this all series which I am recording for RAG, so just like and subscribe so that I can record a session for new topics, and I can upload into my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you, and just like and subscribe this channel.